The door is broken. Look at that. So I guess I gotta go get a new strut from Home Depot right now. And it attaches here and it's broken like right here. So it doesn't attach to the door. Keep it shut. Maybe the wind busted it, but that's just how it is. So I'm gonna fix that. Well, here we go. I guess, well, probably standard duty wins. Cause I'm not trying to get a hydraulic one. Look at that, $20. But that's for like probably really heavy. What is this? I guess since I'm here, I'm gonna get some bolts for the Jedi. It's supposed to be a 5N bolt to get that hydraulic tensioner to be relieved. I need a 5M. But a long 5M. Oh. Longer than that. I think they said 50 millimeter. So I need a 50. And 550. Yep. That works. Well, we're gonna have this replaced, but we gotta change all the hardware with this new one. So it doesn't seem like it's that hard. I could probably just use the old screws, but it has new screws in there, so all it needs is a Phillips screwdriver, and you do it when the door is shut, and it should be fine. So it's like this. Take that off. It's pretty clear, the instructions, but it's pretty self-explanatory too. But I can use the same hole.